In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to share Trello board access the right way, so you can collaborate with your team, clients, or anyone else in just a few clicks. Whether you want to give someone view-only access or full editing permissions, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a shareable link, adjust permissions, and send it securely. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Let's get started. First, go to Trello.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the board that you want to share. You can do this from your home dashboard by clicking on the specific board name. Make sure you're inside the correct board before moving to the next step, because access settings are managed individually for each board. Now that you're inside your Trello board, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a Share button. Go ahead and click on Share. This is where Trello allows you to invite members directly or generate a shareable link. If you only want to invite specific people by email, you can type their email address here. But in this tutorial, we're focusing on creating a shareable link that you can send to anyone. After clicking Share, look for the option that says Create Link. Click on Create Link to generate a unique URL for this specific board. Trello will instantly create a shareable link that you can distribute. However, before copying and sending it, there's one very important step you should not skip, and that's adjusting the permissions. Next, click on Change Permissions. This allows you to control what people can do once they access your board through the link. You'll typically see options like View Only, Comment, or Edit Access. If you choose View Access, people will only be able to see the board but won't be able to make changes. If you select Comment Access, they can leave comments on cards but still won't be able to edit content. And if you choose Edit Access, they'll be able to create cards, move tasks, change descriptions, and fully collaborate on the board. Choose the permission level that best fits your needs. For clients or external stakeholders, View or Comment Access is usually safest. For team members actively working on projects, Edit Access makes more sense. Once you've selected the appropriate permission level, click to confirm the changes. Now your link is configured exactly how you want it. After that, click on Copy Link. This will copy the generated Trello board link directly to your clipboard. From here, you can paste it into an email, Slack message, WhatsApp chat, or any other communication tool you use. Finally, share this link with whoever you want to give access to. As soon as they open the link, they'll be able to access the board according to the permissions you selected. If you ever need to change access later, you can always return to the share settings and update permissions or disable the link completely. And that's it. That's exactly how to share Trello board access quickly and securely. As you can see, the process is simple. Open your board, click Share, create the link, adjust permissions, copy the link, and send it. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.